In this video, I will show you how you can redirect your 404 pages to homepage. Let's first check that by entering any wrong URL. You can see there is not information on this page with the URL we entered. Now let's fix this issue. Go to your plugin directory and search for all 404 Redirect to Home plugin. This is the one. Install and activate this. Once it is activated, refresh the page. Now go to its settings. Make sure your redirection is enabled. Now enter your homepage URL here. Now let's check again whether it is working or not. Enter any wrong URL and hit enter. As you can, it is 100% working.